So hello Lokocheros, for today's video, ituturo ko kayo sa hotel capsule here in Japan. So first, nagbigay sila ng wristband. Ito yung sensor mo pag parang keycard siya pag open sa hotel room. Ayan, or the capsules. So may another door. Diyan ka papasok at nandyan lahat ng mga capsules. So look at that, ganyan yung itsura ng mga hotel capsules dito sa Japan. Sobrang linis and sobrang organized and mabango din siya. So let's tour it around para makita niyo lahat ano talaga yung itsura inside the hotel capsule. So ayan yung other side ng room na meron mga hotel capsules, nakahilera lahat. Bale around siguro mas mga 16 to 20 per room. And ito yung itsura ng toilet and bath. This one sa labas. And this one naman yung mismong toilet. And yan, by first glance, sobrang linis. Parang every hour sila naglilinis ng toilet kasi nami-maintain talaga siya. And as usual, Japan's toilet are the best. And sensored and fully automatic na lahat. Ayan. So, may bidet na automatic, heated seats, may music pa. So, dito naman tayo, what's inside the hotel capsule in Japan. So, may 2 decks siya per unit. And then, kumpleto lahat ng amenities. May lights, may charger station. And then, ganyan lang siya kasimple. And tulugan lang talaga siya. What's important is comfortable siya and malinis. So, akyatin natin sa taas kung saan doon yung capsule ko. Ayan. So, okay naman siya pag akyat. Mabilis lang naman at hindi naman siya mahirap. And sobrang comfortable na mga sheets and yung bed at saka yung pillow. Meron din siyang blinds, ayan, na pwede mong ibaba for privacy pag matutulog ka na. Ayan. So, all in all naman yung rating ko dito sa capsule na to, since super linis, mabango, and very organized, nasa 10/10. Dito lang yan sa Hotel Kanazawa Capsule, dito sa may downtown Kanazawa City. Ayan, so this time naman guys, it's already 12 midnight and I will try to sleep. Kaya thank you for watching for this video and see you in my next video. Good night, Lokocheros. Bye.